Imagine a huge cosmic show with stars, planets, and moons all playing together perfectly. But there's one part that's really got astronomers excited: exoplanets. These are planets outside our solar system, hidden in the Milky Way. You might be shocked to know that one of these planets is super similar to Earth, like a twin. Let's talk about Proxima b, a planet only 4.2 light-years away. The James Webb Space Telescope is changing how we find and learn about these mysterious places. Think about your mind wandering through the Milky Way, a galaxy with tons of exoplanets. To get an idea, imagine each exoplanet being the size of a grain of sand. You'd have enough sand to fill the Grand Canyon and make a new one that stretches for miles. What's even wilder is that around 20% of these planets are like Earth in terms of their structure and atmosphere. So, about 1 in every 5 exoplanets could be similar to ours. But wait, there's more. These planets might have moons, rocky like ours, dancing around them. If you're hoping to find another place in space with life, the universe is full of chances. Now that we're starting to see how big the universe is, let's bring in the James Webb Space Telescope. This telescope is like a cosmic detective, and it's way better than any other telescope. Its big mirror lets it see even the dimmest light from billions of light-years away, so it can study the planets orbiting those stars. The James Webb is special because of its technology. It has infrared sensors and spectrographs that can do more than just look. They can also figure out what a planet's atmosphere is like, what it's made of, how dense it is, and even how heavy it is. They're like space detectives, figuring out if a planet has water, organic stuff, or even oxygen. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just a better version of Hubble. It's a big step forward. If Hubble shocked you, get ready for even bigger news as we explore the universe. One star we should look at is Proxima b. Since we found it in 2016, this planet has become a big deal. It's close by, only 4.2 light-years away. If you could travel at light speed, you'd get there in just over 4 years. This planet is special because it's so close but could still teach us a lot. It's like finding a diamond in a pile of rocks. This diamond could hold secrets about life. Proxima b is interesting because it might be like Earth, maybe even Earth's twin. It's in the right spot around its star, not too hot and not too cold, so it might have liquid water. But before we imagine vacations on Proxima b, let's think about some weird stuff. One day on Proxima b lasts 11 Earth days. Imagine sunrises that take forever. This makes us wonder about the planet's climate and if we could live there. Would our bodies get used to the weird light? Would we need to eat more? And could we sleep like we do here? Life would be strange but also familiar. Nature is giving us a puzzle. Could Proxima b have life like us? To find out, we need good info about a place we've never been to. That's where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. It's like a lab in space. It can not only see distant planets but also study them using cool tools. It can look at the light from these planets and figure out what's in their atmospheres. This lets scientists see if they have things like water, organic molecules, and oxygen. The James Webb Space Telescope is awesome. It helps us turn guesses into facts, learn about the universe, and change how we think about what might be out there. Just when we thought we knew everything, something surprising happened. Researchers using the James Webb found something weird on Proxima b. It was a signal so strange that it got everyone talking about alien life. This signal wasn't like anything they'd seen before, and it made people think there might be an advanced civilization out there. For a second, everyone wondered if we were alone. But then the signal disappeared, leaving us with questions. Was it just a weird space thing, or was it a message from aliens? This signal has made Proxima b even more interesting. The possibilities are exciting. Could this be a sign that we're connected to other life in the galaxy? Even if we don't know for sure, this mystery makes us want to learn more and connect with something bigger than ourselves. And the story keeps going. As technology gets better, the James Webb Space Telescope is being turned into a kind of night vision device for space. Scientists want to scan planets for signs of city lights. Imagine seeing alien cities shining in the dark. Finding artificial light would be a huge deal. It would prove that there's intelligent life out there and suggest that the universe is connected. Life wouldn't be a fluke, but a pattern. What would that mean for us? It would change everything we know about philosophy, religion, politics, and science. We wouldn't be alone anymore, but part of a bigger family. It would raise big questions about how we communicate, what we can learn, and how we see ourselves. For now, we're waiting. The James Webb Space Telescope is helping us look deeper into space, study planets, and find secrets that have been hidden for a long time. Every new thing we learn brings us closer to answering the big questions. Are we alone? What else is out there? Could we live on another planet? This isn't just exploring, it's finding out about our future. As we start this amazing time, let's remember that the universe is huge and full of mysteries. And with the James Webb Space Telescope leading the way, we're finding our future, one star, one signal, one world at a time. But that's not all. These planets could also have a load of moons, rocky like ours, dancing around them. If you're hoping to find another place in space that could have life, the cosmos has endless chances. Now that we've started to get an idea of how big the cosmos is, let's talk about the main tool that's helping us see it all, the James Webb Space Telescope. This space detective has replaced the magnifying glass with a telescope lens that's better than anything else out there. Its huge primary mirror lets it pick up even the faintest light from stars billions of light years away, and it can check out the planets that circle them. But the James Webb is a game changer for more than just its seeing power. It also has the tech like infrared sensors and spectrographs. These tools don't just let us see stuff. They can break down the light coming from objects to figure out what their atmospheres are like, what they're made of, how dense they are, and even how heavy they are. Like crime scene scientists, but for space, they can tell if a planet has water, organic stuff, or even oxygen. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just a better Hubble. It's a huge step. If Hubble blew your mind, get ready for even bigger reveals as we keep checking out space. Proxima b is one star that's grabbing our attention. Since we found it in 2016, this strange planet has become a star in a cosmic story full of weird stuff that has astronomers interested. What makes Proxima b special? Well, it's close by, only 4.2 light years away. If you could travel at light speed, you'd get there in just over 4 years. It's like finding something amazing in the backyard. Proxima b's appeal is not just because it is close. Astronomers think it might be like Earth, maybe even a twin. It's in the habitable zone of its star, where it is not too hot and not too cold. Liquid water could be possible. But, before we imagine vacationing on Proxima b, there are weird things to keep in mind. A day there lasts 11 Earth days. Imagine sunrises that take forever, followed by sunsets that turn into golden hours for a long time. While that might sound cool, it makes us think about what the weather is like and how livable it could be. Would our bodies get used to the changes in sunlight and darkness? Since life would be strangely similar and differently alien, there are definitely more questions than answers. Could Proxima b's civilizations be like ours? That is the question we all have. How can we gather accurate, reliable data about a world we've never visited? The James Webb Space Telescope has capabilities to answer this question. The telescope has technology to analyze distant planets. Through infrared sensors and spectrographs, astronomers can study the light emitted and reflected by these far-off worlds. This allows them to determine atmospheric pressure density and the presence of life-supporting elements like water, organic molecules, and oxygen. This lets us transform speculations into scientific facts, expanding our understanding of the universe and revolutionizing of what might exist beyond our home planet. Researchers using the James Webb captured a signal from Proxima b. It swept through social media, sparking discussions about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. For a moment, humanity's collective heartbeat seemed to stop, caught up in the possibility that we might not be alone in the universe. But just as quickly as the signal appeared, it vanished. Was it merely a cosmic glitch? A quirk in the fabric of space? Or could it have been a whisper from a distant intelligence? A message from an ancient civilization reaching out across time? This signal has cast a veil of mystery over Proxima b, transforming it from a candidate for habitability into the centerpiece of cosmic intrigue. The possibilities are great. Could this be part of a story that connects us to a wider galactic community? It fuels not just scientific curiosity, but a human desire to connect with something beyond ourselves. As technology gets better, the James Webb Space Telescope is being adapted into a galactic night vision device. Their mission, to scan distant exoplanets not just for signs of life, but for artificial light. Think of it, aliens radiating their energy into the cosmos, visible not by its biological markers but by its technological signature. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming science fact. Detecting artificial lighting would state that there is intelligent life beyond Earth. It would suggest a universe where life is a pattern, repeating across the stars. It would change religion, politics, philosophy, and science. We would no longer be the lonely children of Earth, but part of a vast galactic lineage. How do we communicate? What can we learn from them? The James Webb Space Telescope continues to guide our gaze into the night, revealing star systems, analyzing atmospheres, and secrets. This is revelation. Are we alone? What else is out there? And could we one day call another world home? Discovering our future will happen as we stand at the edge of this extraordinary era. The universe is alive with mystery.